Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody, for having me. Thank you, Jason, for setting this up and for being here for this important discussion. On November 4th, voters sent a very clear message in the state of Texas. They elected, by nearly two-thirds margins, the most conservative House, the most conservative Senate, and the most conservative set of statewide office holders in Texas history. They sent a mandate to us. Voters deserve the limited government, constitutional, conservative government that they voted for. And there's one impediment to that. It isn't the Senate, it isn't our statewide office holders, it's the Texas House. Scott Turner wants to change that as Speaker of the House. He wants to let us vote on the conservative legislation that Republicans campaigned on. And I don't really think there's much difference in what we feel the debate is. Scott Turner will allow conservative legislation to come to the floor. Speaker Strauss will kill it. Scott Turner will empower conservatives. A Strauss-led House will empower Democrats. How do we know this? We know this from the statements of the candidates themselves. We know it from the identities of the people supporting them, in the statements made by the people supporting them, and we know it from history and how the House has been run in the past. Listen, the issues, there isn't any difference between us, I think, as to what's going to happen in a Strauss-led House and in a Turner-led House. Eddie Lucio, a Democrat, said in support of Joe Strauss, Democrats are vastly outnumbered. Only Joe Strauss will give us a voice. My colleague this summer, Representative Villalba, said this year the Senate this session will be the most conservative and pass the most conservative legislation in Texas history.
About 30 seconds.
And much of that legislation will die in the Strauss-led House. Ross Ramsey from the Texas Tribune said that if there's a change in Speaker, the House might pass more conservative legislation. I agree with all of them, and that's why I support Scott Turner for Texas House.
Jason.
Speaker.